Hello students, and now in this video we will discuss phasor diagram. Okay. Before discussing, we know that E is equals to E naught sine omega t. E equals to E naught sine omega t. When we divide this by R, it will be I is equals to I naught sine omega t in general. When the circuit contains resistance or resistor, okay, we know that after dividing by R we will get I, and R is generally greater than 1, means one more than 1 ohm. That's why the magnitude of E will be less than magnitude of magnitude of E will be greater than magnitude of I, because after dividing R we will get I. If we draw a graph, sinusoidal graph for the E, this is E, this is maximum E, maximum potential, and generally we know that because both are starting from 0 and ending of maximum value at the same position, maximum is also same, 0 is also the same position, means but magnitude is less, means the graph will be like that. Magnitude is less, means it is I naught. The frequency is same for the both when the circuit contains only resistor. Okay. When we try to represent in a vector like that, because it has some angle, let us suppose this is the angle omega t. Okay, this is the vector for what? This is vector for E, but the length of I is less. Okay, the length will be less like that, but the angle for both E and I, it will be same because it is omega t. Okay, and this will rotate like that, and this will rotate like that. Matlab E naught, and it is I naught. This vector is for I naught and this vector is for E naught. Let us move toward the definition. What is phasor? Phasor, rotating vector. This vector, rotating vector that represents a sinusoidally varying quantity, means one quantity is E, means potential, and another quantity is current, is called phasor, means this vector is called phasor. Phasor diagram, this diagram, a diagram that represents the alternating current and voltage, both current and voltage, it is representing voltage of the same frequency is same. Okay, now let us discuss more here. When the phase, means angle between current and voltage is not same, for example, it is not same, that means the current will not start from 0, it will start from there, like that. This is the for potential, and this will be for current. Okay, phase is not same here. For I, it is omega t plus phi. The vector, the I vector will not be like that, the I vector will be like that. This is the phi plus I, and current will be ahead with respect to potential. Okay, means these two vector will rotate like that. Okay, hope you're understanding. And more about phasor diagram we will discuss in a different kind of AC circuits. Okay, and there you will get more information about phasor diagram. Thank you.